Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete audio in CapCut. So the first step you simply need to do is to open CapCut application, click on import, and you need to import a video. So I'm going to select a video with audio. So here you can see that once you select it, so here is my video. You can see that this video have sound as well. Hi guys, welcome. So now you simply need to click the right mouse cursor and click on extract audio, and here is the audio. Select audio and click on the delete on the keyboard, and now you can see that there is no sound or audio in my video. So this is the process how you can delete audio in CapCut. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.